Well done on taking that bold step and choosing us, NeoLife. But more importantly, choosing you, for taking on this great opportunity that is for everyone. First-timers, part-timers, full-timers, sellers and team builders. In fact, you decide, because it's an opportunity that you can do you on your terms. An opportunity that allows you to grow and earn as much as you want to, based on your goals, your dedication and time available. And of course, fitting it all flexibly around any other commitments that you may have. To be part of a community of highly motivated, positive and committed people who want to see you succeed. So here's to getting started and launching your NeoLife entrepreneurial adventure with the help of simple but highly effective tools for both online and offline support. Remembering that here at NeoLife, you're in business by yourself, but you're never by yourself. You're never alone. By choosing NeoLife, you become part of a family, a community that will support you in every best possible way. With over 60 years of worldwide experience and foundations that could not be more solid, all underpinned by our world-class products. In fact, since 1958, we've had the same simple product philosophy, absolute, unwavering pursuit of the highest quality without compromise. When it comes to our health and that of our children's health, our families, there simply can't be room for compromise for us. Please know I'll be here to accompany you in your next steps training by dishing up a cocktail of inspiration and actionable advice to help you make your mark in NeoLife, starting with a series of short training and support videos. So let's get started, and I look forward to seeing you there.